Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your legacy with TIAA, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your legacy with TIAA, start by understanding what legacy protection means. Identify your assets that you wish to protect. Consider your retirement accounts, life insurance policies, and real estate holdings. Next, gather all relevant documents related to these assets. This will include account statements, policy documents, and any pertinent legal paperwork. After you have your documents, schedule a meeting with a TIAA financial advisor. During this meeting, discuss your goals and objectives for your legacy. Ask about TIAA's investment products that align with your legacy goals. Explore options such as IRAs, annuities, and other savings vehicles. Inquire about creating a trust to manage your assets after your passing. This can ensure your wishes are followed and that your beneficiaries are protected. Now, make sure to review your beneficiary designations on all accounts. Ensure they are up to date and reflect your current wishes. Next, consider estate planning as part of your overall strategy. Working with an estate planning attorney can help you navigate complex issues. Establish a will or a living trust to guide the distribution of your assets. Understanding these can help minimize the burden on your heirs. Schedule regular reviews of your legacy plan, at least annually. This will ensure that your plan remains aligned with your current situation and goals. As life circumstances change, your legacy plan should adapt accordingly. Stay informed about TIAA's offerings and any changes that may impact your strategy. Continuously educate yourself about financial and estate planning. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions about your legacy. Finally, communicate your plans with your family. This transparency will help ensure your legacy is honored and understood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.